If your dashcam isn't recording in your Chevy Traverse, don't panic. You're not alone, this is a common issue. Here's what you can do. First, check the power connection. Make sure the dashcam's power cable is firmly plugged in both into the camera and the car's power outlet. If it's loose, secure it and see if the camera starts up. Next, take a look at the fuse. A blown fuse can cut power to the dashcam. Find your vehicle's fuse box, usually under the dashboard or near the glove box. Use your owner's manual to locate the correct fuse and replace it if needed. Still not working? Try a different power source like another USB port or the 12-volt outlet. If the dashcam power's on, your original outlet might be the issue. Now check your memory card. A corrupted or full memory card can cause problems. Remove it, reformat if possible, or insert a new one. Finally, if you've tried everything and it still won't work, your dashcam itself might be faulty. Contact Chevy support or your dashcam manufacturer for next steps. Remember, always troubleshoot safely, never while driving. Got your dashcam back up? Hit that like button and subscribe for more quick car tips.